This is Mo from Mo CMOS, and it's a beautiful start of the week. And this is how we start our week, by detoxifying the body, getting rid of toxins, yes, and we also load it with nutrients that we get or we don't get in our daily diet. We start our day with a tablespoon of our blue spirulina and raw honey CMOS gel. CMOS is packed with nutrients that we lack in our daily diet. So if you want to feel good all day long, try a tablespoon or two daily. Then we're taking not 1 ml, but 2 ml of our lion's mane extract. This is the good stuff. This is brain food. This is food for your nervous system. There goes the second one. According to a saying of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, black seed is a cure for everything except death. And then we have our amazing NRM lozenges. If you're struggling with diabetes and you cannot get that levels down, try this. And if you have prostate issues, gout issues, or just acid-related issues, go for stinging nettle root. We have it available.